Hi there, my name is Hillary Baldwin and I'm a dermatologist in Brooklyn, New York. Although I see all sorts of skin problems, my primary area of interest and my area of expertise is in scars and in stretch marks. When the skin is wounded in any way, the body miraculously manages to fix the wound and get the skin stuck back together again, but in the process of doing this, often ends up leaving you with a scar. Many times the scar is unsightly, but the good news is that there's a lot that we can do for it. Not a day goes by that I don't see a patient complaining of scars or of stretch marks, and they're profoundly impacted by the presence of these skin conditions. Often they tell me they look in the mirror and all they can see is the scar or their stretch marks and none of their good qualities. There are particular times in which this is more of a problem than in others. For example, during the summer. The summer is the enemy of the patient with stretch marks and with scars. They have to wear shorts, sleeveless shirts, or perhaps even a bathing suit. Another one is in a new relationship, where the scars and the stretch marks can give them a loss of self-confidence and a loss of self-esteem. And lastly, in new mothers who are already a little uncomfortable with their physical appearance, and the stretch marks certainly don't help. Treatment options for scars and stretch marks run the gamut from the expensive and potentially invasive treatments like laser and surgery, which are also time-consuming and painful, to over-the-counter topical products that you can pick up at the pharmacy, which are relatively inexpensive yet effective. For example, for scars, we have the Mederma family of scar products, which is highly trusted and the #1 doctor-recommended brand, shown to reduce the appearance of scars. For years, there was a perception that there was nothing that you could do about stretch marks. It's often the last thing that the patient mentions to me in the office. It's sort of an oh by the way moment. They're not really expecting me to say yes. But actually, I recommend Mederma Stretch Marks Therapy, which is specifically formulated and clinically shown to reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Because I've been recommending Mederma products for years and hearing such positive feedback from my patients, I'm excited to be sharing my experiences as an expert advisor for Mederma. I encourage you to look at the Learning Center on the website. It's extraordinarily informative. It's got a ton of information on education, on scars and stretch marks, the answers to your frequently asked questions, and general skincare tips to help you keep looking your best and feeling your most confident every day. It's important to remember, though, that this website is informative only, and if you have specific questions or concerns, I suggest you talk to your dermatologist or your healthcare provider. No matter what, remember to wear your skin proudly.